Clarinet. So today we're going to be working in book number 2 and we're on page 4. So we're going to look at 11 through 14. At the very top, we've got a few things for review in this book. So multi-measure rest is the first thing. So it's a long line followed by some numbers at the top, and there's a 2 at the top of the one that's being an example. There's accents. So accents just mean we're going to add air or add a little bit of sound to the front of the note. There's a fermata, which means to extend it longer than the duration of the note. There's a DC al fine. So DC means del capo, and that means go back to the head of the piece or back to the beginning, the top of the piece, and play till fine. Fine is the end in Italian. We know all of the notes that are up above. So we also know B, C, D, E, F, F sharp, or F sharp, and G. So those are review notes. We know the 8th note. We know the 8th rest have both a flag. We know that the dotted quarter note gets 1.5 beats, and sometimes you can have the 8th note followed by the dotted quarter note, so that's 1 and 2. And harmonics, we know D sharp and E flat are the same thing, and we know G sharp and A flat are the same thing. Okay, so let's clap and count number 11. It has a DC al fine, so we're going to go back to the beginning, and we're going to clap and count until we see fine, and fine means end. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, beginning, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, two, three, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. And that's fine, so that's the end. Let's take a look at these notes. We're going to play D, D sharp, E, F, E, E flat, D, 2, 3, F, 2, 3, G, G sharp, A, B flat, A flat, G, 2, 3, 1. Rest, rest. A, B flat, B, C, C, B, B flat, A, 2, 3, F, 2, 3, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, rest, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, F, 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 and then we go back to the beginning. Let's try it again. D, D sharp, E, F, E, E flat, D, 2, 3, F, 2, 3, G, G sharp, A, B flat, A flat, G, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, A, B flat, B, C, C, B, B flat, A, 2, 3, F, 2, 3, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat. Okay, so the trick is that D sharp and E flat are the same thing. 1, 2 in the side key is D sharp, but it's also E flat in harmonics. So we have G sharp, which is the same as A flat, and we have B flat used in the next phrase, and it doesn't change going up or down. So that stays the same, which is nice. All right, let's see if we can play it. Here we go, guys. That one's a lot of fun. So if it's too fast to do they're chromatic with your fingers, then slow it down. Right now in Smart Music, it is 116, so you could go to 90 easily and play it a little slower. So taking it slow is a really good way to practice, because if you can play it slow, then you can play it a little bit faster, and then you can play it faster and faster and be able to get your notes to really sound the correct way, and be thinking about the articulation, because there's a lot of things here. There's crescendos, and there's mezzo forte, and there's forte. So, and you're able to put your spin on the phrase. So that helps too. So take it slow. It's at 116, but take it 90, and you can change that tempo in Smart Music or Essential Elements. Now we're going to go to number 12. And we're going to count and clap it first. This is on a pickup note, and it is in 2/4. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1. Okay, that's really important. We also have that rhythm that they showed us at the very beginning with the review. 1 and we see it a few times. We see it 2 times. So be aware of that. Always look ahead, right? The key signature has also changed, and we have an F sharp in our key signature. So everything is natural except for F, and F is going to be sharp. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 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 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and. Okay, so now let's say the letters. We have B, C, D, 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 G. Actually, let's do that with the music. B, C, D, D, G, B, C, D, D, E, D, B, C, D, 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 G, C, E, B, A, A, B, C, 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 D, C, B, A, B, C, D, G, Okay, so let's do the last part one more time, because that was a little fast. D, B, D, D, C, A, F, A, G. Okay, that hops around a little bit. D, B, D, D, C, A, F, A, G is the last phrase. All right, so now let's see if we can play it. We're going to start at the very beginning. There's an F third to the last measure. Whoa, so we got to get used to that. All right, let's try that one more time. So number 13 is technique track. Technique track. This has a pickup note. It has C, so that's common time. It has a first ending and also a second ending. So let's clap and count this first. We've got lots of rhythms here. This is going to be awesome to clap and count. When it starts, it's going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3, 4, 1 and 3, 4. So you might want to get that into your head before you start to clap and count it. It's 4, 1 and 3, 4, 1 and 3, 4. And we're going to do that a lot. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 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 2 and 3, 4. First ending. 4, 1 and 3, 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 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 fermata. Okay, so now let's see the letters, and we've got here G, C, C, D, E, C, D, D, E, F, D, D, E, F sharp, D, G, G, F sharp, G, C, C, D, E, C, F, F, E, F, F sharp, G, G, F, F, E, D, C. First ending. G, C, C, D, E, C, D, D, E, F, D, D, E, F sharp, D, G, G, F sharp, G, C, C, D, E, C, F, F, E, F, F sharp, G, G, F, F, E, D, C. For this particular song, clarinets, I would not be flip-flopping because we're playing F to F sharp. So when you do that, you're actually going to sometimes get a G in between. So we have a fork fingering, and a fork fingering means you're going to play your first finger and the banana key right here. So when you play F, F sharp, G, G, F, F, E, D, C, you're going to play the fork fingering there. All right, so let's try it. We're going to play it. F sharp in measure 1, 2, 3 and measure 4, you can play the second one. But in measure, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 and 6, you want to do the F sharp with the fork fingering because F and F sharp are right beside each other. All right, let's now go to number 14. 14 is a duet, salsa siesta. And we're going to clap and count this. The main rhythm of this piece, and I'm just looking at part A, is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, okay? So that's important to know. Also, we have two different dynamic ranges. We've got forte and then piano, forte and then piano, forte and piano. We're going to learn the first A section first. So let's clap and count it. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, G, C, B, B, A, B, F, G, B, A, G, A, E, G, G, F, F, E, F, 2, 3, 4, A, G, G, F, G, 2, 3, 4, G, C, B, B, A, B, F, 3, 4, G, B, A, G, A, E, rest, rest, G, E, F, F, G, A, F, G, G, A, B, rest, G, rest, C. Okay, so lots of skipping. We're going around the break a little bit. Just make sure you add lots of air when you are going around the break. It helps produce a better sound. And now we're going to try to play it. If 108 is too fast, make sure you take it down a level. You could go to 90 or even 80. So make sure you're doing these dynamics because, like I said, it flip-flops back and forth. That was the A part. Let's see what the B part sounds like. The rhythm is the same, just the notes are different. So we are going to say the letters. E, G, 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 E, G, D, rest, rest, D, G, F, F, D, E, C, rest, rest, E, E, D, D, C, D, rest, 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 F, F, E, D, E, rest, 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 E, G, 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 E, G, D, D, G, F, F, D, E, C, E, C, D, D, E, F, D, E, E, F, F, D, E. Okay, this time we're going to play it. This week is just page 4 in the book 2, Essential Elements. And I look forward to hearing you play at school or online. Bye, guys.